Boogie. It's your boy Smooth Boogie. Back at it again for another reaction video. Now today we're gonna be watching Trash Talker Exposed after saying this to my face by jass. Y'all know who jass is. That boy go dummy. He's one of the best hooping YouTubers, you feel me? He's one of the best. I'm not gonna lie. I've seen a little bit of this before. I had on the background while I was doing some homework. Remember, y'all, get on them books, my guy. Yeah, y'all already. I know a couple people who don't. Y'all already know who y'all is. Yeah, y'all already know who y'all is, dude. But that does not mean I don't pay attention until I figured out I can make this a YouTube video. Now we finna get into this, and I'm finna give y'all my reaction to this video. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. Comment down below so that I can talk to y'all. You feel me? Let's have a conversation. DM me on Instagram. I DM back. And follow me on Instagram, by the way. At Waveman Boogie. Link will be in the description. And give me 30 subscribers on YouTube. Let's get right.
I thought I was done hooping for the day. We just got done running fives, but you know me, when pops up like this, we gotta hoop, so.
Hey, I'm Escalade from Racine, and I'm gonna bust the YouTubers. I've been
Need to get some clippers.
watching N1 Street Ball all my life. You know what I'm saying? You're recording this dude here? Really? This dude!
He is not even intimidating. That's the crazy part, but he go crazy though, for real. He really is he's a hooper. Shout out Cash Nasty. But yeah, I'm finna show y'all how crazy this man's goes right now. Let's get it.
You said one-on-one? I'm about that. Come on! Oh, you don't want to ball? You don't want to play basketball?
She annoying. Bro, I could not play against this dude, bro. It be getting me mad, bro. So you wanna play basketball? You don't wanna ball? No, I couldn't. Get up on my face, dude.
Hey, I'm Escalade from Racine, and I'm gonna bust the YouTubers.
No one-on-one, guys.
Yeah, out here.
Play one time. That's a good matchup.
I'm talking about one-on-one. Huh? It ain't no one-on-one. Ain't no fun in that. Hey.
You wanna be on YouTube, bro?
You talking about YouTube? You out here with me and my five, and you on your five? I'm on your ass like back pockets, bud.
He said it wasn't like back pockets, but like back pockets.
I've been watching N1 Street Ball all my life. You know what I'm saying? You're recording this dude here? Really? This dude! Bring your Macaulay Culkin looking ass on. Let's get it. Let's go.
Who?
This dude! Bring your Macaulay Culkin looking ass on. Let's get it. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm about that shit. Let's go. Let's f***ing get it, bud. Yeah.
Oh, this man say bud. Hey, okay. If he can actually hoop, bro, I'm gonna be surprised.
One-on-one? You said one-on-one? Niggas in this bitch ain't no one-on-one. They trying to YouTube me, bro. I ain't going, though. I ain't going out like that.
What's the score gonna be?
You long for no reason.
Long for no reason. Hey.
You long for no reason. He got some little dripples in him, you know. Blue out dang, he just goes up aggressive for no reason. He want to dunk on himself.
I thought I was done hooping for the day. We just got done running fives, but you know me, when pops up like this, we gotta hoop. So my squad is me, Sergio, and John, and then this is their squad right here.
I got skipped.
All right, that's good, man. Shoot for ball, Sergio.
Hit him with that splat. Ooh. Oh, dang. Dude better be doing that in warm-ups. Y'all see him trying to dunk on the... I mean, I'd say he better do it on one. Hey, bro, I'm telling you, he better be doing that in the game. Oh, that's a blow by. Oh my gosh, it's like, ooh, easy. That's anything he wants, bro. I played somebody like this like the other day. It don't even matter. If you get if I can hit you with a hezzy and blow by you, most people isn't gonna go all the way like that. Especially if you can't go all the way. If you get tired really easy, you're not gonna do all that. If I hit you with a hezzy and I go by you, it's over. Cause most likely I'm gonna make the layup. So yeah, that's a blow by all day. Or a step back. I like that. I like that. Ooh. Do he? I don't know. Comment down below, cause I when I play pickup, I usually clear it just cause I don't want no easy buckets like that. But if you get a steal, that's kind of like you don't really gotta clear it at that point. But God, maybe I'm wrong though. But I don't usually clear it cause I don't want no easy buckets like that. That's I'm trying to get better every time I get on the court. But I mean, comment down below. Tell me what's up. Tell me what's up. That's it. Let me see how this dude ball. Oh, he one of those. Whoa. Whoa, okay. What? Okay. If I get one more bucket out of him, he can hoop. Good pass. Ooh. Okay, you're tipping. Good tipping. Dang, okay. I mean, I don't know. That jumper. It look alright. The jass is better. Great. And this is him after playing pick 5-on-5. Hey. Has he blow up right there? Easy. He said, "Oh yeah." Don't do that to jass, bro. Disrespectful. Again, hey, people get mad disrespectful for the camera. This man was probably shy before this, but now he getting disrespectful. Okay, do your thing. Hey, yo, that's a life lesson. Don't switch up in front of no camera, dog. Listen, hey, keep that same energy the whole way around, bro. Like, come on, don't switch up as soon as the camera's turned on, bro. Don't switch up. When y'all move. I didn't know he could do that. I really thought he was tall for nothing. He don't be hooping for real. I'm gonna be honest with you. He don't be hooping. Oh, that was a tough shot. Off. I like the accuracy on that pass. Oh no. That's a terrible shot. Oh, hey. He said, come here. What they going to? Like 12? Oh, whoa. That's why I don't be reaching. You can have the hey, I don't want to give away my secrets, but you can have the ball right in front of my face. I ain't gonna reach on that, cause some people you don't think they have control of it, but they be there. Unless you have the ball just like floating like that, you just have it floating. I ain't doing that, bro. I ain't reaching on nothing. Not finna put me on a clip. No sir. Oh my, please don't. Ah, that hurt. That hurt, bro. That hurt. All that trash he was talking, he played no defense. That's a bucket, bro. Oh, wow. Oh, that's the end of the game? Oh, yeah, sir.
Hey, that was a good game.
Dude, move out the camera. Don't nobody want to see.
I don't know, I'm gonna have to get the rest over here. For some reason, I think there's a magnet in that ball or something. Like, he was just hitting everything, bro.
That logo, though.
Out here, though. Like
No,
wow.
sir.
Yeah, hey, can I get the game ball, please?
Yeah.
This is a blue evolution, bro. It's something to this ball, bro. I ain't never. Yeah, it's a magnet in this motherfucker.
I was gonna say something, but I've seen a Blue Evolution ball before. I've seen that.
Something, bro.
It's a magnet.
I don't see it
Magnet,
usually.
bro. Got me.
He got a magnet in the ball, y'all. It didn't count.
Dude, okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do it.
I'm a smooth dude. He walking up. I'm a smooth dude. That's what he's saying right now. Hey, that's how you do it.
How we going, guys?
Hey, that's the end of the video, man. Hey, this was something slight. It was something slight. He played games before that, so I didn't even. Dude, he can hoop though. He can hoop. He can hoop, but I don't know, man. I don't know. That wasn't. He was looking pretty crusty over there. He was kind of exposing jass. I'm not gonna cap. He was exposing him because he's a post player, and jass doesn't really play post defense. He played as best as he could. He still gave him a bucket real quick. Cash Cardi gave him a bucket real quick. You feel me? But I don't know. I liked it. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Share my videos. You feel me? I forgot to mention that in the intro, baby. Follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. Original video link will be in the description too, by the way. You hear me? I got to. And I'm gonna get up out of here. Remember, give me a 30 subscribers. You already know you want to. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get up out of here though. Peace.